Warra, my name is Ant Ford Parker and I'm the owner of Outdoor Guernsey. I provide lots of activities on the island, but cycling has got to be one of my favourites. I've cycled around the island many times. It's a really popular pastime with the locals, so you'll have plenty of people to keep you company. There's a good system of routes on the island that are well signposted, and there are maps available from Visit Guernsey. Lots of eateries, lots of pubs and restaurants, so you can always have a bite to eat on your way round. Why not join us cycling an island's coast? Encounter great things in Guernsey.